Do you want to be able to fix TikTok not uploading videos? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this. But it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step for it to work, just so you know. And the first step is going to be for us to go into our TikTok app, of course, and then come to our TikTok profile. So if you're currently having this problem that you're not able to upload any more videos to your TikTok account, well, then there is actually a solution for this. And the first step is going to be for you to click on your three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page. Now what you're going to do on this page is to click on settings and privacy, and then you should be taken here, which is great. Now in here, just scroll down. Keep scrolling down until you can see where it says report a problem, and that is exactly where you need to click. So click on report a problem. Just going to load, and perfect, we should now be taken to this page. Now on this page, you need to scroll down. Keep scrolling down until you can see where it says videos and sounds. So click on videos and sounds. Now as you can see, we get a couple of options in here. So you need to scroll down, click on other in here, click on other once again. Just going to load, and as you can see, your feedback was submitted, and that is because I had the exact same issue before, and I actually went in here and I was able to report a problem in here, and then it was fixed. But for you in here, you need to click where it says need more help, because you should have this button in here where it says need more help. I'm just going to go back to this page right here, scroll all the way down, click on submit a report in here. The reason why I cannot go back in there like and do the exact same thing that I'm going to show you in there is because, as I said before, I did it before and now it works for me. But you need to basically click on need more help, and then you should be taken to this page. As you can see now on this page, I need to write exactly like this. I am having issues with not being able to upload videos on my TikTok account. I need this to be fixed because it's very important for my TikTok TikTok user experience. So write exactly like this now to them. I'm having issues with not being able to upload videos on my TikTok account. I need this to be fixed because it's very important for my TikTok user experience. Now click on submit. What you need to do now is to wait about 24 hours before posting any videos. Basically, you need to give them 24 hours to see this message, and hopefully after that, this will be fixed for you. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.